What it do, YouTube? It's Jacking Things and I'm back. So yesterday I had went out and I had did a thing. I finally went and bought my dream car, y'all. I cannot make this shit up. Before I show you guys, comment below right now what you think the car is. I really can't drag this shit out like I want to because my camera's gonna die, but still got the charger. Oh, you've probably seen something right there. Let's get a little cold start. Real Hellcat. I bought a Hellcat, y'all. So guys, I finally bought my dream car. I bought a Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Now, I'm not gonna lie, originally I wanted the Charger Hellcat, but you see I already have a Charger. It's not a Hellcat, but she's still a Charger, and she can become a Hellcat, and that's on the to-do list. So if you guys want to see me build the 5.7 liter Hemi into a Hellcat, make sure you guys stay subscribed and support the channel, because I'm not going to be able to do that one without you guys, because that is a really expensive mod to do. But that was my original plan. I now have a actual Hellcat, so that's even better. But I'm going to try to give you guys a little POV drive. I just have to go to the store, give my cat some food, and then I also need to go buy some soap, because I just bought a tattoo, like some antibacterial soap, so I can clean my tattoo. But I'll give you guys a little POV. I'm not that good at driving stick yet, because this is my first manual car. I work at a dealership. I actually bought this Hellcat from my job. So I got a really good deal. I couldn't pass this up. If you guys want to know how much I'm paying for the Hellcat, then comment below or like the video. If the video gets, I don't even know, if the video just does good for a video on my channel, if it does better than other videos I've done, then I'll give you guys that video. But I'm trying to give you guys the POV drive of me driving stick. I'm not the best at it. Like I tried to explain earlier. I don't know if it got recorded or not, but I just want you guys to listen to the supercharger. This is all stock, steel stock intake. I'm gonna put a leg maker or a B Woody. Comment below which intake is better. But let's get it to whine. The downshift! That downshift though! properly right there. I'm gonna show you guys like all the shit. Like I'm not gonna cut that part out because I did stall out right there, and I'm just trying to be real with you guys. I want to see my progression as a like manual driver. I mean, it happens, but like again, this is only my second day driving stick, so I mean, for what it is, I don't think I'm too bad at it, right, y'all? You hear the backfire and the pops? Oh my god. My Charger don't do that. My Charger don't do that shit, bro. I love this car. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna end this one here and charge up my camera. I'm gonna record some more. This might just be its own little short little video taking delivery of my dream car. Like, it's so unreal to me. I'm 23 and I have 2 cars.